Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share for you guys. I came across this die from my friend Liz on Instagram. She posted these super cute keychains and I'm gonna have her link down below. Definitely go check her out. But this is what the die looks like and it's from AliExpress. I will have the die linked down below as well. And it is a keychain die. I cut a piece out so that you guys can see how it works. When you cut it out, this is what it looks like. So technically you fold it over, kind of matching up the little holes as you can see. You fold it over and then you have like this little opening here where of course you would put a key ring. So what I do is I kind of like fold this over a little bit, put the key ring right inside without kind of like messing or distorting the paper. But that is what it looks like that. You can either glue it, use any type of adhesive you want to put it together, and then of course you decorate your keychain. So I'm going to show you guys the ones that I created. Another tip that I want to give you guys, when I had placed the order for this die, I had ordered some rings, like some key rings, but these are 1 inch. The key ring to go and fit perfectly here has to be 1.5 and above, because if it's smaller than that, it's just not going to fit. This part's not going to lay right. So make sure your rings are either the D rings, which are the ones that are flat and then go round, or a circular 1.5 and above. Okay, so you can do a 2-inch ring, you can do anything except a 1 inch, because it just won't fit right. So I'm gonna have to find something else to use to make these. Well, not to make those, something else to use those. I said that backwards. But this is what it looks like, you guys. Such a fun die. You can stitch the little holes if you want. You can put trim, anything. Options are endless, you guys. This is such an adorable die. But let me show you guys what I did. So this is the first one, and what I did is I put a gold ring. I did some trim right here, like a mint green, a pink. I used some of the Coco Reno doily dies and I layered one on the top of each of them. And then I just did like a little foam heart, a little gem, some little stickers from Maggie Holmes, I think Bloom. And I did a little bit of gold, if you can see that, like gold threading in the back. But that's what it looks like. And in the back I just have my label. Don't mind this, it was a problem. That's why there's this little thing right here. So yeah, that looks horrible, but it's okay. They're not going anywhere, they're mine. So that's what the first one looks like. And then this one looks like this. I did some stitching right here. I did another one of those Coco and Reno doily dies, some gold gems around, and this cute little butterfly that I think is from Michael's last year. And that's the ring. And then we have this one where I did some more little stitching here. And then in this one, in the center, what I did was I put some of that. Oh, I don't like the way this looks. Let's cut that off, because that means that I cut off the little loopies. Okay. And this one I just propped up a little bow, another one of those little word stickers, some cute little mint green enamel dots, and then the little pom-pom trim around the center. And then, oops, here's the next one. The next one I did the same thing. They all have that doily, that little doily die, and then I have the little puffy stickers in the center right here, sunny day. And then I also did some trim around the circle, as you can see. And yeah, you guys, those are the keychains that I made. You guys, this die is super fun. You should definitely pick it up. I'll have everything linked down below. And I hope you guys make a ton of keychains. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.